Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Speedball game for free via the Steam launcher. So without wasting time, here follow these steps very carefully. So open Steam, go to store, and in search the store search for Speedball and then click on Speedball game. Scroll down and here you will see play Speedball, play for free until 22nd June 2026. So click on play game button. And here you can see Speedball, file size is 12.09 GB. So click on install and then click on accept. Then go to library and here you can see that Speedball game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following these steps you can also download or install Speedball game for free via the Steam launcher, and you can play this game for free until 22nd June 2026. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.